everyone! If you love discovering new tech that makes life easier, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Today, we're diving into Microsoft Copilot, an AI assistant that promises to boost your productivity. But is it really worth the hype? Let's find out. Microsoft Copilot is an AI-powered tool integrated into Microsoft
Ik kan
365
filosoof.
apps like Word, Excel, Teams, and Outlook. The idea is simple. Copilot helps you write, edit, summarize, and even automate tasks so you can work faster and smarter. Imagine having a virtual assistant that understands what you need and delivers it instantly. Sounds incredible, right? But let's put it to the test. First, let's try it in Word. I'll give it a few bullet points, and within seconds, it generates a full, well-structured summary. That's impressive. Now, what about emails? If you get overwhelmed by long emails, Copilot can rewrite them in a clear and professional way. No more spending extra time figuring out how to phrase things perfectly. Now, let's check out Excel. If you've ever struggled with formulas, this could be a game changer. Copilot can analyze your data and suggest formulas or even create charts for you. That means less time spent on figuring out complex functions and more time focusing on what really matters. So, is Copilot perfect? Not exactly. Let's talk pros and cons.
Ik kan
On the
filosoof.
plus side, it's a huge time saver, seamlessly integrates with Microsoft apps, and takes care of tedious tasks for you. But there are some downsides. It's not always 100% accurate, meaning you still need to double-check its work. Also, it's only available for Microsoft 365 subscribers, so it's not free to use. Overall, Microsoft Copilot is a powerful tool that can boost productivity, but whether it's worth the price depends on how much you rely on Microsoft apps. What do you think? Would you use Copilot in your daily work? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech solutions. See you in the next video.